The K9 Vision System is a specialized camera system designed for working dogs, particularly those used by military and law enforcement. It allows handlers to see what their canine partners are seeing in real time through a camera mounted on the dog's head. Here's a breakdown of the K9 Vision System. Camera and mount. A small, high-definition camera is mounted securely on the dog's head, typically above the muzzle or on the back. Wireless transmitter. The camera transmits a live video feed wirelessly to a receiver carried by the handler. Receiver. The receiver can be a handheld device with a screen or a headset with a built-in display. Some systems allow for dual monitoring on both the handler's handheld device and a wristwatch display. Optional features. Some K9 Vision systems include features like night vision, two-way audio communication between handler and dog, and recording capabilities. Benefits of the K9 Vision System. Increased situational awareness. Handlers can see what dangers or obstacles their dogs encounter, allowing for better decision-making and improved safety for both dog and handler. Improved communication. The ability to see what the dog sees can enhance communication and teamwork between handler and canine. Remote operations. Handlers can guide their dogs into dangerous situations remotely while monitoring the situation through the camera feed. Overall, the K9 Vision System is a valuable tool for military and law enforcement K9 units, enhancing safety, communication, and operational effectiveness. The Robust Robotic Combat Vehicle, RRCV, is an uncrewed medium robotic combat vehicle, MRCV, developed by the Israeli Ministry of Defense, MOD, in collaboration with Israeli security industries led by Elbit Systems. It is designed to be a multi-purpose unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, that incorporates advanced robotic technologies to expand the Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, autonomous combat capabilities in all-terrain and all-weather battlefield conditions. The RRCV is a 6x6 advanced, lethal multipurpose UGV featuring advanced maneuvering capabilities, along with the capacity to transport diverse and heavy mission loads. It also has an integrated system for transporting and receiving uncrewed aerial vehicles, UAVs. The vehicle's design focuses on operational effectiveness, simplicity, limited operator involvement, and integration within diverse unmanned fleets. Here are some of the key features of the RRCV. Raytheon is a leading developer of high-energy laser weapons for military applications. Their laser systems use powerful beams of light to track, target, and destroy threats including unmanned aerial systems, drones, rockets, artillery, mortars. These laser weapon systems are becoming increasingly operational. In fact, in 2019, the U.S. Air Force deployed Raytheon's first high-energy laser weapon system, HELWS, overseas, and it has logged more than 25,000 hours of operation. Here are some of the key advantages of Raytheon's laser weapons. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional missiles, lasers have a much lower cost per shot. Precision. Lasers can precisely target and destroy threats with minimal collateral damage. Rapid engagement. Lasers can engage threats at the speed of light. Ammunitionless. Laser weapons don't require reloading, providing a nearly infinite number of shots. Raytheon's laser weapons are designed to be integrated with existing air defense systems, providing an additional layer of protection for military bases, airports, and other critical infrastructure. The Convair Model 49 was a truly unique and ambitious proposal for a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, close air support aircraft from the 1960s. It never flew past the design stage, but it captured imaginations with its radical design that looked like something out of science fiction. Imagine a flying machine that blended the capabilities of a helicopter, a jet, and a tank. The Convair Model 49 was exactly that. This VTOL aircraft was designed to take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but then transition to horizontal flight for high-speed travel like a jet. It was also heavily armed, making it a formidable aerial gunship. The design of the Convair Model 49 was based on the concept of a coleopter, which is a fancy way of saying an aircraft with annular wings. These wings were basically large rings around the fuselage of the aircraft that housed duct fan engines. The engines would swivel down to provide thrust for vertical takeoff and landing, and then swivel forward for horizontal flight. The Convair Model 49 was never built due to a number of challenges. The technology of the time simply wasn't advanced enough to make such a complex aircraft practical. The design was also very complex and expensive to produce. However, the Convair Model 49 remains a fascinating example of the innovative thinking that was happening in the world of aviation during the 1960s. The HIS-RO is a medium-range surface-to-air missile (SAM) system developed by Turkish companies Aselsan and Roketsan. It's part of the HIS-R air defense missile family, which also includes the short-range HIS-RA. The HIS-RO is designed to defend against a variety of aerial threats, including fighter aircraft, attack helicopters, cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The missile system is deployed on a mobile launcher vehicle based on a Mercedes-Benz Zetros chassis. This allows the system to be easily transported and deployed to wherever it's needed. The HIS-RO uses a phased array radar to detect and track targets, and a command and control system to engage threats. The HIS-RO has been in development since the early 2010s, and it successfully completed its final test firing in March 2021. The system is expected to enter service with the Turkish Armed Forces in 2024. There is also an upgraded variant planned, called the HIS-RO Plus. The CV-90 is a family of Swedish tracked armored combat vehicles designed in the mid-1980s to early 1990s. The platform has continuously evolved over the years, with new variants being introduced to meet the changing needs of the battlefield. The most recent variant is the CV-90 Mk4. The CV-90 is known for its high mobility, firepower, and survivability. It is used by a number of countries around the world, including Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland, Switzerland, Estonia, and the Netherlands. The basic CV-90 can carry a crew of 3 and up to 8 infantrymen. It is armed with a 40mm cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun, and 6 smoke grenade launchers. The Mk4 variant has a more powerful engine and improved armor protection. It is also armed with a 35mm cannon and a launcher for anti-tank missiles. The Paramount Group Marauder is a highly regarded mine-protected armored military vehicle, MRAP, designed for various military and security applications. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Capabilities: rugged and agile. The Marauder boasts excellent off-road handling and speed, making it adept at navigating difficult terrain. Heavy payload. It can carry up to 4,500 kilograms of cargo, allowing for flexible weapon system and mission-specific equipment choices. Long-range operations. Extra fuel tanks, water, and supplies can be equipped for extended patrols or rapid response deployments. 24/7 operability. Day/night vision systems and additional sensors can be installed for around-the-clock functionality. Protection. Mine resistance. The Marauder is proven to withstand blasts up to 8 kilograms TNT under the hull and 14 kilograms TNT under any wheel. Blast seats. Specially designed anti-blast seats safeguard the crew from injuries caused by mine explosions or side blasts. Armored hull. A double-skinned spaced armor hull safeguards the cabin and crew compartment from ballistic attacks. Additional armor options are available for specific threats. Variants and production. The Marauder comes in 3 basic crew compartment sizes. Cockerel defense. Here's why. Military terminology. Military equipment and units often have specific designations that follow established naming conventions. Cockle 9 doesn't seem to fit any known military naming pattern. Search results. I searched for Cockle 9 military use and variations, but the results point more towards last names or scientific references, not military applications. However, there are a few possibilities. Fictional reference. Cockle 9 could be a fictional weapon or unit name from a book, video game, or movie. Internal nickname. It's possible Cockle 9 is an internal nickname for a specific piece of military equipment within a particular unit, but this wouldn't be publicly known. Here's what you can do next. Provide context. If you have any additional information about where you encountered Cockle 9, it might shed light on its meaning. Refine your search. You could try searching for cockle combined with keywords related to the type of military equipment you're interested in, e.g., Cockle 9 tank, Cockle 9 aircraft. If you suspect it's fictional, searching for it within the context of a specific game or book series might be helpful. The Black Hornet 4 is a next-generation nano-drone, the latest iteration of the Black Hornet series developed by Teledyne FLIR. It's a military miniature unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, designed for covert reconnaissance missions. Covertness. Due to its small size and single-rotor design, the Black Hornet 4 has an extremely low visual and acoustic signature. This makes it difficult to detect, allowing soldiers to gather intel without giving away their position. Image quality. Equipped with a high-resolution thermal imager and a 12-megapixel daytime camera with exceptional low-light performance, the Black Hornet 4 can deliver crisp video and still images day or night. Flight performance. The Black Hornet 4 can fly for over 30 minutes at a range of more than 2 kilometers, even in winds of up to 25 knots. It can also launch in less than 20 seconds and operate in GPS-denied environments. Obstacle avoidance. New obstacle avoidance capabilities ensure the drone can navigate complex environments without crashing. Ease of use. The Black Hornet 4 is a lightweight system, weighing only 70 grams, that can be easily carried by dismounted soldiers. It requires minimal training to operate. Overall, the Black Hornet 4 is a valuable tool for soldiers on the battlefield, providing them with critical real-time situational awareness to complete missions effectively.